Happy Monday from Polk County Public Libraries. I'm Jen and I'm going to show you how to make a brownie in a mug today for our Mug Cooking Mondays program. So, the ingredients you will need: milk, vanilla extract, and vegetable oil are our wet ingredients. And for our dry ingredients, we have cocoa powder, brown sugar, all-purpose flour, and chocolate chips. And you will also need your mug, a spoon, a tablespoon, half a teaspoon, and a microwave. All right, let's get started. So we are going to mix together the flour, cocoa powder, and brown sugar first. We need 4 tablespoons of flour. Another supply that is a good idea that I always seem to forget is a tablecloth, because this does get a little messy. Hopefully not as messy as my last video where I got baking powder everywhere. But it is easier to clean up if you have a tablecloth. So I'm putting in my 4 tablespoons of flour. That was 3, 4. Then I'm going to put in my 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. One, 2, 3. Now those of you watching from home, you probably want to wash your tablespoon between all of these steps. All right, so I'm going to mix up those 3 dry ingredients: brown sugar, all-purpose flour, and baking cocoa, cocoa powder. We want our brownie to be nice and even, chocolatey. All right. So now we're going to add the milk, oil, and vanilla extract. So we need 6 tablespoons of milk. I hope I have a big enough mug for this. If not, I'm going to be repeating this video. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, 2 tablespoons of a flavorless oil. If you don't have vegetable oil, you can also use canola oil or sunflower oil. So, 2 tablespoons. That one's a little overflowing, so I'm going to do a little bit less. All right, and then half a teaspoon of the vanilla extract. All right, so I did my 3 dry ingredients. Now we added 3 wet ingredients, and we're going to stir it again. And I have the same size mug that all of you who picked up a kit at the library have, and it's fitting in here perfectly. So this recipe is good for a standard size mug. So make sure you mix all 6 of these ingredients up really well. So it looks like brownie batter. And mine is pretty mixed up. All right. We are going to mix in a tablespoon of chocolate chips as well. A little bit more, but that's okay. All right, mix in those chocolate chips to make it very chocolatey brownie. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to microwave it between, depending on how well your microwave works, how many volts it is. Of course, microwaves vary, so you want to cook it till it's done. But we're going to start it with 1 minute and 40 seconds until it has risen and the batter doesn't look wet. So this timing was based on a 1200 watt microwave. So start with 1 minute and 40 seconds and then just keep cooking it for maybe 10 seconds or so until the batter isn't wet and the brownie has risen. And then this would be delicious served warm with some vanilla ice cream or just eaten by itself. So I'm going to go microwave it and show you guys a picture.